Hey, what are you doing here?
Robbie just shows up to the dyno with no fuel.
None. Awesome. All right. Well, cool. Well, guys, what a great way to start the day. I thought I was the jackass for showing up late. Nope. All right, guys. Well, Robbie's putting gas in his car now that we're here with the gas on the dyno. Yeah, sorry for the rushed intro here, but we got the Integra back out here at last. Ready to go. What are we going for, Robbie? Okay. What's the number?
No oil on Jim's floor.
No oil on Jim's floor? Yeah, there will be at least some.
Usually what we find is like a half-inch diameter bolt.
Okay, yeah, we could. Yeah, we could have that.
Where did that come from? This seems important on this.
Nah, no, don't need it. Well, okay, how about no water on Jim's floor? Something bad happened then.
Yeah, it already broke the dyno.
What?
Yeah, pulled up on here and he broke the brakes.
What?
I don't know how.
Just so much torque.
Yeah.
Just broke the dyno. All right. Well, awesome. All right, guys. We got this unit fired up here, and we're gonna start on 30 pounds.
We'll have to get it warmed up
and just kind of see what she does, and then we'll go up from there. But let's get a baseline on 30, and then we'll see, I guess.
Seems like it did.
He's getting the sticky stuff ready. I didn't think we were
I don't think we need that yet. He was only in third gear. I think we'll just do it again in fourth, and it should be fine. No, if we turn it up in fourth and it starts to spin again, then maybe, but I don't think it'll spin too bad. But, I mean, the boost control looks good. Everything was fine, so.
looks way better. You think it was spinning right there?
Yeah, oh yeah. We'll do it again, same boost. We'll just try it. I think it'll look a lot better. That's less power than I think it should make by like
Let's find out.
50, 80. But so far so good. It's running fine, so we'll give her hell. Yeah, we're gonna leave it on 30 and just see. I don't even know what it's gonna do here. The fuel might be way off, but we may have not had VTEC this whole time here, guys. So we're gonna try it again. Something changed with the wiring. It's like high side drive now. It normally isn't. At least it wasn't before. So I don't know. We're gonna try it again, and I guess we'll just see what happens here. It may make a lot more power, because that graph just looks way wrong, and that gave me a feeling that something was not normal with the old VTEC B18.
VTEC BBC.
Oh yeah, true. Yep, so it went into VTEC and it was spinning a lot, but we made a little more power there, so we'll continue. That was interesting. I was wondering why I'd never heard it go into VTEC.
VTEC B18.
How does it feel like? Yeah. How does it feel having a sporty LS? Yep. That's clean. All right, boys. Well, we're gonna fire it up again. Alright guys, so we made a little more boost and she hooked that time. We got 678 at 30, 3 pounds. That's about more what we were looking for. We'll
Give or take.
yeah. Well, we can clean it up a bit. It's a little rich, so we'll get it looking good here, but I don't know, we can look at the timing and stuff.
Huh? See how much power that made?
Oh, wow, that's so clean. So clean.
I just got adhesive all over.
Yeah, you're glued up. He's hooked on the skinnies. All right, guys, we're shooting for 37 here with a little bit of timing in it. And I don't know why the TV's facing that way, but yeah, we should bust over 700 here, so. Should be looking pretty good. What do you think? Sporty stuff going on here, boys. Go, boys. 752.
I think we gotta adjust base pressure and everything.
36 pounds, 752. Well, do we just give her the big 40?
Yeah.
I think we give her the big 40. I think she'll do right about
I think it
800.
needs some knocking off. Let's make sure, like, if we for sure get it type deal, we don't need a 799.
Yeah, true. All right, 50.
Yep.
We'll give it 50 and I'll just set the lean cut up. All right, well, things are looking good here, boys. We'll go over 800 or try.
If we didn't get this thing on the dyno, we would have never even known.
Dude, that's what he was saying.
That's why this is so
Like
nice.
maybe if we like cruised it around on like low boost and like
You
felt
just
it.
can't know.
This is why we do this kind of stuff, though. Look at that graph, though. That's the wall of power that I was looking for. I'm like, it should just be a wall. It feels like a wall. Well, we're gonna have to tighten up the traction control a bit because it was already all over it, and
Turn it down and tighten it up.
now we got power on tap.
This thing on the 30 is going to be stupid.
Yeah, goodness. All right, boys. Well, let's get this thing yiked up. Well, guys, we knocked the tires right off, so we're gonna turn the quick spool off and give it another go. We're just checking everything over before we really lay into her.
I don't even care what number it is. That's what,
Yeah.
like Kate said, we don't necessarily do shit because it works or doesn't. We do it because it's cool.
True. Yep. I guess. All right, boys. Well, guys, here's the deal. We requested more boosts and we got not that. So we were targeting over 40 and we were getting under 38. So we're gonna increase the duty cycle a lot and just hope that she gets her there. Now we might be able to get there. We're sure gonna try. We made a little more. We made 770. We need the big 8. Well, let's give it hell, boys. See what we can do. Well, here's the deal, guys. She once again knocked the tire right off of it, so we really can't get it to make the boost without knocking the tire off because of how much wastegate duty cycle I gotta give it. It just either makes a lot early, but it's just killing the tire. So we're gonna take our win and run. We got 770 at 38 pounds. So that's pretty good stuff on a 6466 .82 AR T3 back housing. Makes
turbo, big power.
big smoke. Yeah, she makes a lot of power, but she makes even more smoke, so that's good. Oh, look at that. Looks pretty good.
Way better than last time.
Yeah. Well, boys, look at that little street car. And he's driving it home too. Didn't even come on a trailer or nothing. I mean, calling it a street car is maybe a bit of a stretch, but. All right, guys, well, fucking, he's out of here. What do you think, dude?
I'm fine.
That was kind of clean, huh?
770 is.
All right, boys. Well, make sure to like and subscribe. We're gonna go back out to the track with that unit soon, and the big cheese grater. Going for some sevens, both cars. 7s to the 8th and 7s to the quarter.
Yep, something like that.
I mean, he's got to get one. He hasn't yet.
He hasn't, so he is going for a 7 to the 8.
Oh yeah. All right, boys. Well, we'll see you later. Peace out, guys.